have muted you all. So, good morning, class. Today, we are first going to revise what we have studied in our earlier class, and then we will be continuing with this chapter, the features which we have left. Okay, so we'll be revising the things, and after that, we'll be doing the question answers and the book exercise. So, what we have studied. Working with styles and objects. We have discussed it earlier that why we need style because to make the things attractive and to look different, when you have lot of pictures and different styles, it makes the font attractive and you feel like studying it. And when there is no picture, picture also helps us to understand the things. Okay, so we have discussed it that there are two types of styles: character styles and paragraph styles. Okay, paragraph style, you can see it here also, that having a align text left, having a center alignment, having alignment text right, and having justified. Yes, this you have studied in your fourth standard also. And your character styles means making it bold, italics, underline, or having some different fonts. So this we have discussed, and we have discussed about how to apply a building styles. It was simple, just to select it and select the style whichever you want, and I can go for different styles. So this was selecting the style, inserting a word art, and after inserting a word art and shape, today we'll be discussing these things. So let's begin. I have opened it. Let's go for new. Okay, see, this is a new. We were talking about inserting. Everybody is able to hear my voice. Give me a thumbs up in the video if you're able to hear my voice. Okay, good, great. Everybody is able to hear my voice. So the thing which we were talking about was inserting a word art, which Yuvraj was also asking. How to insert a word art was just to go on word art, select the font, and I have to type class 5. I'll click on OK and I can drag wherever I want to. I have done. Now you were asking Yuvraj that we have to go for shadow effect. See, there's a option shadow effect and I can give shadow what according I want. There is 3D shadow effect which you were asking. Each and every shadow effect is available here only. So we come to our next thing, that was a shape. What is a shape? Shape is present in the insert tab and you have to select the shape. Like I have select stars. You all are my stars. So I have selected a star. This I have inserted it. And now you all want that, ma'am, you have inserted the shape as well, but I want to write something inside the star. You want to write something inside the star. How you will write anything in the star? Click on the insert tab. After clicking on the insert tab, read where text box is written. See here, text box is written. We will go draw text box, and then we'll go draw text box. See, I have drawn a text box inside my star. And I'll write what I want to write. I want to write all students are present. See, now I'm able to write here. I'm able to write in the star. Even I can select it. I can do the different changes, whatever I want to. So it is completely on my wish that I can even write in the shapes. Everybody is clear with it, how we will write in the shapes? Give me a hand raise if you have understood it in the video only, not in the app. In the video, just raise your hands. Kaina, I have seen your hand. Shubhi, I have seen yours. Yes, if you have understood, kindly raise your hand in the video. Hira, I have seen your hand. Yuvraj, I have seen. Rashi, I have seen. Rudra, make your video visible. Okay, Lakshya, I have seen your hand also. Okay, great. So let's move on to next thing, that was applying shadow. Again, we can apply shadow in it. I have told it in earlier also, but you all can insert a shadow. Just insert a shape. I want to select this as smiley. Go for this smiley. See, my shadow effect is coming. I want this shadow effect. It has come. If I want 3D shadow effect, then I can click on 3D shadow effect and the 3D shadow effect will come. So this is how you make a shadow. Please try all these things. Now, we would be having inserting clip art and picture. For example, you all want to insert a clip art and a picture. See, let's delete it. We'll be going inserting a clip art. You have to click on insert. Here you have got clip art and pictures. You have two difference. Clip art means you can select the pictures. You can see this tab coming, navigation pan here on my screen, and I want a picture of a man. See, I have written clip art man. Go. I have searched it, and if it will search, then see, man clip art is there. I'll click and I have inserted it from clip art. What you have to do? You have to go on insert tab, click on clip art, search for whatever picture you want and go for it. And you have to just do a single click. Like I will just single click on it and the see picture is there on my screen. And I can move it here and there where I want to. So I hope it is clear to all. Now let's insert a picture. I will click on this picture tab. I am having this pictures. I'll click on the picture and I'll go for insert. See, I have selected, I can make my picture big. Whatever I want to do, I can do it. Those who are all are able to understand, kindly raise your hand. Okay, good. Lakshay, Shubhi, good. Yash, Hira, and Yuvraj, I have seen it. Rashi, you are able to understand, then raise your hand. Okay, I'll tell it again. Once again, just wait. See, you have to click on insert. This step is clear. You have to click on insert. You have to go on clip art for inserting the pictures from clip art. Write the thing here and go for search. Okay, and for inserting a picture, you have to go on insert tab and click on picture. Okay, and select what pictures you are having. The difference is कि clip art will search the pictures which from online also, means you can search it from net, but in the pictures option you would be only able to select the pictures which your computer or your mobile phone is having. Now it is clear to you. Raise your hand if it is clear to you. Okay, good. So now we were talking about adding a screenshot in a document. For example, see, right now I am teaching you and this is what I have my page. So I'll take a screenshot of it through my laptop. I have taken a screenshot. Now I'll tell you how to add this screenshot in my Word. I have to again click on insert, go on pictures. Where are my pictures? This, and see screenshots is written. I have to just click on screenshot and find out the screenshot which I have taken right now. So I think this one. And see, I have taken the screenshot what I was teaching, your classes, student's name. It is very simple. You have to just treat it as if you are just inserting a picture. So I hope it is clear that how we have to insert it, and this was the only topic which was